Yeah, you already know who it is. Variety the analyzing shit. I'm gonna go down a list and shit of some tracks, some new tracks I got. The beats were made by Little Haiti Productions too. And one of the anyway, I'm gonna go down the list. This is just one of the tracks and shit. You know what I'm saying? It's one of the tracks I did and shit. You feel me? I'm gonna move further back. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna move the track further. You know what I'm saying? Music, so when they say that I'm back, I'm so used to it because I leave them. I'm sure y'all probably heard that on Reverb Nation. That shit is called I Wanna Be the Great. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go down the list though. Yeah. This joint right here, Little Haiti Production and the ball, Kev, from out in Chicago, you know what I'm saying? This joint right here, this joint crazy. I went in. We here, it's another movement. Oh yeah. We gon' make this happen. Oh yeah, I'm gonna win. What up, Little Haiti Production? What up, Kevin? Out of Chi-Town. Shout out to my nigga TOS too, man. My nigga from South Carolina, he get it in too. Listen, I live in Philly. Shout out to Kansas City. Shout out to Chi-Town, New Jersey, the Brick City. I was raised out in Brooklyn. New York is my city. I'm still doing my thing, popping like I'm Diddy. That's a joke, man. That's what it's called. Chi-Town because I... See what I'm saying? I'm gonna go down the list. Oh, this I'm a champion. He did this beat too, man. Little Haiti Productions, man. Word up. I think y'all, ReverbNation.com, man. I know y'all heard this, John. I'm a champion. I put it on for my city. That's why I'm the champion. When I say I'm the champion in my city, I'm the champion. I don't mean I'm above everybody else. I got work in my city, so I feel like a champion myself. You know me? That's why I say I'm a champion, and I put it on for my city. I put work in the city more than others. That's why music said I'm way better than others. Music always talk to me because I am a champ, and if I get married, music, yes, is my best man. I'm my number one friend, just like a best friend, and I'm a champion because I'm better than the rest, man. Y'all don't get me twisted, don't get me confused. And I used to doing what I do, and that's being real, chasing that deal, keeping it positive, and that's how I feel, man. He get it in. Oh, Little Haiti Production again, my nigga. Oh yeah, this one is called These Rappers is Corny. And most of y'all are. They say that I'm incredible. There's nothing like me. That's right, I'm untouchable. You don't gotta like me. I can see a hate in a rapper like you wanna fight me. Cause me and Little Haiti doing it on Prime Me. Yes, we are the truth. Yes, we are hip-hop. Of course we are surprised. Just like a gift box. And these other rappers ain't nothing but a flip-flop. They need flowers. So we going to the gift shop to get them flowers and a nice gift card. Bye-bye, left them scarred like a skip mark. So stop playing with y'all. I'm one of the best, and I say stop playing with y'all. Get it out my chest. You know what I mean? Oh, shout out to his little sisters, man. Amanda and Sherlyn. This was made by. They did this beat. All Little Haiti Production did was supervise them and mix it down. I said I'm still here. I'm not going nowhere. I'ma do this, so I get my own wear. I'm not a clone here. Why? Because I'm grown here, and I'm serious about all my work. If I make it, I'm gonna splurge. God covers up, man. All my curves. Stop playing with me. His little sisters. Shout out to my nigga Little Haiti Production, man. Word up out in Kansas City, man. You know who it is, Variety the Analyzer, man. Shout out to everybody that deal with me, that show me love. I ain't gotta say no name. Yeah, I'm gonna go down the list now. Hold on. I got one more though. This ain't from Little Haiti Production either. You know what I mean? Gotta give my man TOS Original Sound Productions, you know what I'm saying? Down in South Carolina. Yeah, my man Original, he get it in, yo. Yeah. Take me out of space. lights. Loyalty is for everything, man.
Won't you take me?
That's how I'm doing it too, man. You know, I associate with niggas from out of state, you feel me? Kansas City, Chi-Town, South Carolina, Florida, Ohio. It don't even matter, man. Shout outs to all my niggas that support me too, man. You already know, man. Variety the Analyzer. Rough and Tough Records, man. You already know. Yeah.